Hi, welcome to Rallyhood. Thanks so much for joining us today. Today I'll be showing you how to create and share content to rallies underneath a hub as an admin. We're going to start by going into our Forest North Service Unit Hub, which is our demo hub. Hub admins can create content at hub level and then select the rallies within the hub where they want that content to appear. This function gives admins the ability to distribute communications to the right rallies quickly. Let's begin by clicking on the message wall feature on our navigation bar. To share content, Hub admins will first create message posts or add content such as files or links at the hub level and then select the share icon. Let's create a new message. Welcome to my hub. Thank you for joining. On post. And here you're going to see the share icon. This will open up the share modal, which enables the admin to then select the rallies where they would like to share by checking the box next to the rally name. Or you can click on all to select all rallies. Be sure to click publish. Sharing content from a hub is available for multiple features on your navigation bar. Let's click into calendar. In calendar, once you've created an event, you're going to click on it, and here you're going to see the share icon. When you open it, the share modal will appear, and you can create the rallies that you would like to share to. Be sure to click publish. Something to note when sharing from your calendar is that RSVP events cannot be shared. Moving on to special events. Once you've created your special event, you're going to click into it, and you will see two options. First, you can click on the three-dot ellipses and click on share. This will pop up your share modal. Again, you can click on all rallies or individual rallies and be sure to publish. Or you have the option to get a shareable link. Click on the link, copy it, and now you can share it through email, through text, through messaging. Our shareable link feature happens to be one of our members' favorites. Let's move on to files. Once you've uploaded a file, you'll see next to it that you'll have the share icon. Clicking on it will populate the share modal. You can click all or individual rallies and be sure to publish. Something to note about files is that folders within folders cannot be shared. Let's move on to links. Once you've uploaded a link, you'll see the share icon appear. And again, you'll have the option to select all of your rallies or individual rallies. Be sure to click publish. Something to note about links is that boards within boards cannot be shared. Moving on to signups. Once you've created a signup, you can click into it, and here you'll see the share icon appear. And here is where you'll be able to share to all of your rallies. Be sure to click publish. Next, we have the payments feature. Payments is a little bit different. You're going to click on the three-dot ellipses and scroll down to share. This will open up the share modal, and here you'll have the option to share to all of your rallies or individuals. Be sure to click publish. And last, we have give. Give is similar to payments. You're going to want to click into your fundraiser. And again, you have the option for the 3-dot ellipses. Scroll down to share. And here we'll populate your rallies. And then you can also click on the Share This Fundraiser button, which is another member favorite. This will populate your share modal. And again, you can click on all or individual. Be sure to click publish. If you would like additional information pertaining to any of our navigation bar features, please refer to our Rallyhood user guide tutorials. Navigating back to your dashboard is very simple. Click on the Rallyhood logo in the left corner. And voila, you're back at your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.